How to connect MailChimp to Shopify. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your MailChimp to Shopify store. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you have to open your Shopify store, and then you have to go on and find this option which says Add Apps. You have to click on this option and it will open this page. In this page, you're going to scroll down and find this option which says Shopify App Store. Open that and it's a new tab will open up. So MailChimp is basically a marketing platform, which is basically an email marketing platform, but it does allow you to create different forms and everything. So when you connect your MailChimp to your Shopify, it basically gets your marketing done in your Shopify as well. It's really easy to use, and it comes very handy with the whole marketing thing. So just come here and search for MailChimp. And here you can see MailChimp email marketing. This is what we are looking for. Just search for that and you are going to find the integration, the app of MailChimp. So this is what we were looking for. Just click on this option, Add App, and it is going to open up for your Shopify. Okay, so here you can see you have this option. Just click on this install app and it is going to install itself. And after that, you can just go on, open your MailChimp, and you can basically sign in or log in if you already have an account. And whatever you will do, you can basically go on and integrate both things. You can get your email marketing done in your MailChimp, and then you can connect that with your Shopify. And you can also basically take a look at analytics of everything onto your MailChimp as well. So this was it for today's video. You can basically review the pre-install checklist. Here you can see you can basically continue, connect to your MailChimp, create a new account, or learn about installation. You can basically create a new account and everything. Just go on and connect, and in here you'll be able to log into your MailChimp. After that, you just have to sync, and there you go. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take good care and bye-bye.